Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living. My name is Gary, and today what we're going to do is a vegan Tempura Green Beans with Vegan Wasabi Ranch.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food, plant-based lifestyle.
It's from the Tattooed Chef. Now, you can have these things. The problem is that they have oil in them. Once you've reached your goal, my goal was 190, I'm 188. So with the yoga that I'm doing, I'm actually reducing my frame. I'm actually a lot healthier. I have a lot more energy. But you have to watch these things. So I set the oven at 405 degrees. I also set the timer. Now that's not the timer I'm going to leave it at. You see it says right there, 22 minutes. As soon as I put the wasabi in the oven, then I will press this button right here. So what I did here is, this is half the bag. And this bag alone is 5 servings. So you consider that this is about 2.5 servings. Each serving is 300 calories. So you're thinking about maybe 700, maybe 800 calories just eating green beans with wasabi sauce, and we still haven't used the dip yet. Something to think about. This would be like a once in a while snack, something to share with your family that's a little unusual, not an everyday fare. This right here is called an Insta-Hot. It puts out water almost at boiling. So we're going to put this in the bowl, turn it on. You can almost see the steam coming from the top. Alright, so now we're going to leave this in there for 6 to 8 minutes. It's too hot for me to even put my fingers into it. Meanwhile, this is ready to go in the oven. Oven is now at 300 degrees, so we have another 105 degrees to go. Alright, so we'll see you in a few minutes. So now it's 405 degrees, so we just put the meal in. Then we walk over to the timer and press, gotta start over again, 200, and press timer. There's a timer, you can see it counting down. Alright, so we'll see you in about 21 minutes to show you what it's like. It's funny, when you reread directions you start realizing that it's not 405 degrees, but 450 degrees. So I had to turn off the oven and reset it. It's going to take a few minutes for it to get there, but it's going to get there. Meanwhile, if you look in the inside, you can see how it's cooking the beans. It's not going to take very long. Also, the time is correct, but it's supposed to be 20 minutes. So this will be finished in 4 minutes. We're just going to shut it off a couple minutes from the timer. You know, we have a very strong oven, so we have to consider that it's going to be ready way before any conventional ovens. So I left this in there in really hot water. You can see it's all ready to go. If you feel the bag, it's lukewarm. So what I'm thinking of doing is putting it back underneath the water. See the steam coming out of this instant hot? And then I'll leave it in there and warm it up a little bit. Meanwhile, while we finish up on the oven. Alright, so now it's hot, so what I'm going to do is I'm just mixing it in the bag. So when I open it up, it'll go in this bowl here. Okay, so once you get it out of the bag, you got to mix it up. And you can see the oil on the very top of it. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh, it tastes quite good. It's got a nice warm flavor to it. So this is ready. And now we're going to turn off the oven. Off. And we'll warm up the house. My mom will love that. Won't you, Mom? So this is what it looks like coming out of the oven. You can see how it's golden brown on the edges. And this is the sauce. Alright, so remember, this is just a snack. It's not really meant to be a meal. So I took one of the big pieces I'm going to put it on the sauce. It's really hot coming out from the oven, but it's also very tasty. Nothing says that you couldn't use your own green beans and put some batter on them and create your own wasabi sauce. But with this product, Tempura Green Beans with Vegan Wasabi Ranch, it's a good way to be able to have a quick appetizer for your party or even for yourself. Well, thanks a lot for watching us. We look forward to seeing you in our next cooking video. Bye-bye now.
If you like what you see, subscribe. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.